What's up, guys? The weather is finally getting it nice outside, so of course we're going to do the right thing and get the blue Challenger out. Now, this car has not been on the channel since, I believe, towards the end of 22. I'll pop the video up on the screen. It was actually pretty neglected by me last year. I didn't touch it very much. I think I only put like 1,500 miles on it. Didn't change the oil, didn't rotate the tires, did not do anything. We're going to be doing some maintenance on the blue Challenger. I want to rotate the tires. I want to definitely change the oil in the oil filter. There has been a rattling noise ever since we put rear end in the car with the exhaust. I want to check that out. Maybe if we're lucky and have some time, give it a bath. We're here at the garage now. Get the car out and head to the shop. I forgot I had my motorcycle in here too. Good to be back behind the wheel of this car. The tune on this car hasn't been driving right. It hasn't been driving right since we put the new rear end in it. But it's time to get this thing back in working order. So we'll catch you guys when we get to the shop. Lower it any. That's probably what.
That's what's hitting
Yeah. It's also against there, and this one's here in the middle. So the whole thing, it feels like just the whole thing needs to come this way. Oh. That's pretty easy.
Is it away from here now?
Yeah, I mean, I can squeeze my finger in between. This is definitely off the edge here. You can see it's actually been heating up the plastic. Too much horse torque. It's definitely not quite center, but it's way better than it was.
Yes.
Why is there a puddle?
Did you miss any footage?
No. So we got a bit of a leaking problem. This is why you always check. We are investigating why there's oil here. It wouldn't be because I put it in too quick, would it?
No, it's coming out where you were putting it in.
I definitely didn't, unless I put too much in it and it just kind of seeped out.
Yeah, probably. Because it's not leaking
No.
here.
Well, here's a drain.
Yeah, there's drain plugs. So
Yeah.
that's probably what it is. You put,
I just put too much in
Yeah.
too quick.
it was running down the side there. Yep. Up top there. Right there's a little bit on the hose.
Well, guys, there we have it. Some well-needed and well-deserved TLC on the Blue Challenger. I'm standing in my garage currently because it's windy as heck. We are taking this back to the garage to sit for another couple days because we're getting some bad weather, but that is it for now. The oil has changed. This car is ready to go for the season. I'm excited to do some more things with this car this season, get it out more, enjoy it like I should be doing. But that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.